Okay, we're here at the Whole Foods in Lakewood, Colorado. Flashing light maintenance required. The machine, however, is working, as you can see right here. So it's probably just time for maintenance. Thank you. We're going to go ahead and get that done. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's hit OK, hit escape. And we've reset it. Just grease up the turnbuckle real fast. We've already lubricated all the other parts. And we'll tighten up all the wire terminal connections. Everything comes loose. Alright, we are back in service. Maintenance required. Flashing light is off. We've lubricated all the moving parts and pieces, tightened up all the wire terminal connections. Oil level and quality is good.